The proliferation of metaverse NFT games like the Sandbox can be attributed to the growing interest in non-fictional text adventures, NFT, as well as the metaverse. The Sandbox is a cryptographic token that can be used within the game, Sand. According to the data, the worth of this cryptocurrency asset was able to increase by more than 11,000% since it was initially released in 2021. Even if the Sandbox had an outstanding performance the year before, will this continue in 2022? ZipMix has produced some price projections for the Sandbox, Sand 2022, based on the opinions of several industry experts. Before we start discussing in detail, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon as well. Let's take a look at their projections for the token, shall we? What is the Sandbox? The Sandbox is a decentralized and non-fungible token, NFT game that runs on Ethereum. The Sandbox is not simply a game, but it also makes it simple for users with less technical expertise to design, sell, utilize, and monetize their own non-fictional technology virtual realities. To facilitate the functioning of the Sandbox metaverse's economy as a whole, Sand tokens are used. One of the most significant aspects of the overall metaverse adventure is the inclusion of the original in-game token for the Sandbox platform, which is denoted by the symbol Sand. Because users are able to purchase and sell land and as SET with this token, which is based on the ERC-20 standard and has a supply cap of 3 million. It serves as the foundation for any transaction that can take place on the platform. Land is a non-fungible piece of digital real estate in the Sandbox that can be used by anyone to develop anything they wish, including games. A non-fungible gaming feature, such as art, characters, or music, that might enrich a user's metaverse and be referred to as an asset. Approximately 31% of the total supply of Sand was distributed among the project's founders and team members, while 12% was distributed among Binance's Launchpad participants. According to the statistics provided by CoinMarketCap, 36% of the available supply has been distributed across the crypto asset trading market. In the year 2021 itself, there was a maximum supply of 3 million Sand units, although there were approximately 1.6 billion Sand tokens in circulation. Recent estimates have the Sandbox's market cap at more than $4 billion. However, these figures are subject to daily change. The development of prices for the Sandbox in 2021. During the initial coin offering, ECHO, the price of the Sandbox, Sand was only $0.8 when it first went on sale. When compared to the years that came before it, 2021 was an excellent year for the Sandbox due to the fact that its price was quite bullish during the whole year. The rise in value occurred at the same time as the initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2020. The asset had an initial valuation of $0.5, and then it grew to $0.7 in the same month. After the price dropped below $0.3 in January 2021, a bearish trend began to develop in the price. This trend began shortly after the price drop. Despite this, the value of one Sand crypto coin increased once more, reaching $0.8 or more in January 2021. A similar bullish pattern had developed by the end of March 2021, and Sand's price had increased to $0.8 at that time. After this price gain, there was a bearish trend that led to the overall market value of crypto assets dropping to lower levels. This drop was followed by another price increase. After the drop in March 2021, Sand's value continued to plummet, eventually reaching $0.10. The decline did not continue for an extended period of time, as evidenced by the fact that the value of Sand rebounded to $0.70 in August 2021 and ended the month with a higher value of $0.90. September 2021 proved to be the best month, as the price of the Sandbox, Sand, finally exceeded $1, which was noted as an all-time high. This event was an all-time high. The price of Sand increased once again to $3 between the end of October and the beginning of November, before seeing a temporary fall to $2.2 in the middle of November. The price of Sandbox, Sand, reached its all-time high in November 2021, when it reached $8.4. This price was the highest it had ever been during the entire year 2021. Impacts of the Sandbox price increase. The fact that a significant number of players and software developers have begun transitioning to GameFi projects like the Sandbox is evidence that the Sandbox's play-to-earn gaming model has caused a ruckus in the world of online gaming. GameFi is a blockchain-based video game that offers actual rewards in the form of crypto coins to its participants. The unique experience of playing games in exchange for cryptocurrency is one that players are going to want to make sure they don't miss out on. Utilization of the metaverse technology. The year 2021 was a banner year for the metaverse, which saw the convergence of virtual reality and interaction between users, resulting in a number of significant innovations and breakthroughs. The existence of this metaverse drew interest from a wide variety of societies and fields of endeavor, most notably the crypto and gaming communities. Up to the time that this article was created, the metaverse remained the primary topic of discussion in both the mainstream media and across various social media platforms. This is only one of the many things that has contributed to the Sandbox's ever-growing appeal. It is absolutely necessary to keep in mind that the Sandbox metaverse is an expansion of what used to be a mobile game. This indicates that the success of the metaverse will ultimately be determined by the interests of the gaming community as well as the power of Ethereum. The Sandbox SAM price prediction 2022-2023. According to experts, according to the analysis done by Digital Coin Price, the price of SAM will be $9.1 in January 2022, and then it will continue to rise until it reaches $10.27 by the end of 2022. The value of the Sandbox will peak at $13.85 in 2023, and then it will see a downward trend that will bring it to $12.6 by the end of the year. In a similar vein, the research conducted by Wallet Investor indicates that the minimum value for the SAM crypto price prediction is $9.9 and that the maximum level is $11.9. The price of one SAM is projected to average $10.9 in 2022, after which it will drop to $5.1 the following year, and it is anticipated that it will reach $17.5 within the following 5 years. According to an article published by Go Banking Rates, industry analysts predict that the market for crypto assets will level off in 2022, at which point many digital currencies will lose the traction they had previously achieved. It will undoubtedly be fascinating to observe which crypto assets are still around in 2022 and have the potential to become long-term participants. Like Bitcoin, is it too late to buy the Sandbox SAM in 2022? This issue has finally crossed our minds, and we would like to respond by stating that it is in no way too late to purchase SAM in the year 2022. According to the Motley Fool, the valuation of the Sandbox has increased by more than 11,600% since it was initially introduced during the course of the past year. It is said that the value of the SAM will increase as more people get interested in the metaverse. The Sandbox has attracted some well-known partners such as Atari, Snoop Dogg, and Adidas who can offer it a plus value above its competitors. This is despite the fact that there are many competitors that are quite similar to it, such as Decentraland and Engen. Aside from that, the Sandbox receives financial backing from some illustrious companies, such as Kingsway Capital, Galaxy Interactive, and Polygon Studios, among others. So, that's it for today. If you still have questions, please leave a comment below and our team will do its best to address them as quickly as possible. You may get all the latest information by pressing the bell icon and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.